These are shared bags. You can find them all around the city. Just scan the QR code with your phone and you are good to go. The first hour is completely free. And the best part, some bags, like this one, even with a small seat on the back, perfect for taking a child along for the ride. Hey there, welcome to my video. Today, I'm showing you something real, a piece of everyday life in China. I'm going to a market nearby to get some ingredients for a special dish. It's local, it's fresh, and it's part of normal people's routine. So, come along for this little market tour, and of course, we'll learn some real-life English along the way. Let's go! I'm riding on the bike lane. This is called a bike lane. Here is a sunshade. It's perfect for hot summer days when you are riding. Look, that's a recycling tricycle up ahead for connecting all things. And over here are street cleaners. Our streets are so clean thanks to their hard work. Oh, something just fell off the tricycle. I locked the bag here. It's at the entrance of the market I want to visit today. Let me show you. This is the market. People park their bags and electric bags here outside. And this is the entrance. The whole market has about 5 floors. Let's get inside to visit the market and purchase something. When you enter, the first thing you see is the vegetable area. It's always the busiest part of the market, full of colors, smells, and full of people. Tomato here. She's choosing carefully. The seller is keeping things tidy. Tidy means neat and in order. These are fresh bamboo shoots, and next to them are peanuts with their shells on. Here you can see many types of sweet potatoes. Wow, that winter melon is huge. Mushrooms. Is there mushroom lover? Someone is selling lotus flowers here, typical summer. Here is some braised duck and sausage. This market sells not only raw ingredients, but also cooked food. I'm on the escalator to the second floor. The first floor is all for vegetables. Different kind of vegetables, it's a lot, right? Yeah, the second floor is mainly for fruits. Look at these grapes. They look super fresh. One of the best things about summer is all the fruit you can eat. I love summer. Another thing I love here is that sellers can help you with tricky foods. For example, if a whole watermelon is too much, you can just buy half. Have you noticed all the boxes behind these fruit stands? Can you guess what they are for? Well, in China, people often bring fruit when visiting friends or elders. The boxes are just to make it look nice. There are some benches here for people to rest. You can also see cleaners. They are always working to keep the market clean and tidy. Chicken, all kinds of eggs, and of course meat. Did you notice the machines on each stall? Any idea what they are for? Yep, it's a meat grinder. In China, some people love making dumplings at home. So, they often get fresh meat and grind it right away. Look, the man is chopping meat, really hard. Chop. The seller can chop it for you if you buy the meat there. Pretty good service, right? Here, we have got all kinds of dried goods, like dried seaweed, the black one, dried fish, dried vegetables, and even dried meat. Last stop, the seafood section. In our markets, the seafood is kept alive in water tanks. So what you buy is super fresh and still alive. Do you recognize all the seafood here? Fish. These are all freshwater fish. And here are all seafood from the ocean, like squid and different kinds of shellfish. Crabs here, and she's picking out some shrimp. Here it is, what I came for today. Crawfish. It looks like shrimp, right? But it's actually called crawfish. I've picked mine, and the sailors are helping me clean the crawfish. Such great service here. I have everything here already. Visiting this kind of market is kind of routine for us, for normal people, especially on the weekend. You can see you can find everything you need here for your daily life, but of course it's not like you come here once a week to purchase the goods you need, then you didn't come for the whole week. It's not like that. Chinese people more prefer something fresh. So for some elder people, they will come here like 1 or 2 days at a time. They just live nearby, so it's very close and very convenient to them. Just ride the bicycle and come here to purchase. Then they cook for 3 meals. That's it. That's enough. Outside the market, some people have small stands selling crops they grow themselves. Most of them live in nearby villages. You know what's the best part? They have their own land. Welcome back to my kitchen. Next part, I will show you a special dish you may have never heard of. But first, let me show you the ingredients. Garlic, ginger, bitter melon. Do you like bitter melon? Green onion, cucumber, onion, chili peppers, and of course, the star of today's dish, crawfish. Finally, we have 1 carrot. Still have dirt on it. Crawfish is a popular dish in China, especially during summertime. So it's actually my lunch today. Yeah, the seller has already cleaned the crawfish for me, so I just need to give them a quick rinse. Rinse means wash something lightly, just with water. So I'm rinsing the crawfish. This is a small piece of hot pot soup base. Let me open up this hot pot soup base. Just tear it like this. Then pour a bit of oil into the pot and add the hot pot soup base. Garlic, ginger, and onion. Next, add the crawfish to the pot. Then stir fry everything together for about a minute. Finally, add the soul of this crawfish dish. Beer. Pour in 2 cans of beer to cover the crawfish. 3 dishes for today. Stir-fried covered strips. Spicy crawfish with some cucumber mixed in. Amazing. And a cold bitter melon salad. an unusual way to eat bitter melon. Now, let me show you how to eat the crawfish. First, I need this glove. This is a glove. Take one crawfish, peel off the shell. Once you do that, you will find the meat inside here. Suck the juice inside. This is an extra flavor. Suck. This is suck. Super tasty. So I will have more. See you later. Q&A time. From my previous video, I showed you a little tour of my kitchen. Here is one friend asked about the difference between a dish sterilizer and a dishwasher. Okay, let me show you. There are the two dish sterilizers. The one on the right is mine, and the one on the left belongs to the house owner. A dish sterilizer doesn't wash your dishes. It uses heat or UV lights to sterilize them after they have been cleaned. Now, let me show you how it works. This one uses heat to sterilize the dishes. Just press the on button here twice, and it starts working. You can hear the sound, right? This one works with the UV light. I don't really use it much. It's kind of big, so I mostly use it to keep dry dishes in. That's all for today's video. For today's video, I showed you the market, the street, the little moments for normal people's life. That's the real life in China. So do you like it? Do you enjoy it? You can also tell me how is your weekend, how is your interesting moments around you. I will be super glad. Of course, if you like my content, if you enjoy my way of comprehensible input, please subscribe and share my channel to your friends. I will be super glad. And feel free to leave comments. You can tell me what kind of daily life in China you are curious about, or any questions you have for my video, for my channel, or for me. I will be happy if you do that. Okay, last but not least, as usual, but today, let's review all the keywords together, one by one. These are shared bags. A bike lane is a sunshade. Street cleaners. Oh, something just fell off the tricycle. Tomato. The sailor is keeping things tidy. Sweet potatoes. That winter melon is huge. Look at these graphs. The man is chopping meat, and she's picking out some shrimp. Bitter melon. Green onion. Cucumber. We have one carrot. I'm rinsing the crawfish with a glove. This is suck. Keep enjoying, keep watching, and keep practicing. Let's reach our goal of fluent English together. See you next time, my friend. Bye bye.